Hi, I'm Beck and Food's My Life. If you love entertaining or you've got people over all the time, like I do, then you're gonna love this recipe today, and it doubles as a keto snack. So keep watching. So today I'm making some chicken and almond sandwiches. Now, I know that sounds a little bit bizarre, but just stay with me here. This quick and easy, simple recipe is gonna save you so many times when you have people coming over. This one is perfect for picnics, parties, high tea. In fact, I'm going to make this into cute little ribbon sandwiches today, which would look perfect on a high tea platter. So if you're doing something a little bit special, you've got to have this recipe in your repertoire. The other great thing about this is it doubles as a really good keto snack, because once you've made the mixture, you can put it on a platter with some crudités, so some celery sticks or carrot sticks, and it's a perfect keto snack. You don't have to have this with bread. It's so versatile. Okay, let me show you what all the fuss is about. In my large mixing bowl here, I have finely chopped a barbecue chicken. Obviously, bones removed. Don't remove the skin. The skin is what adds to the flavor, so keep that in there. To this, I'm going to add some finely chopped celery. Next, I'm going to add the almonds. Now, these are slivered almonds that I have roasted in the oven, and then I have just roughly chopped them. In they go. Okay, let's just stop right here for a sec. Let's talk about these almonds. You must roast these in your oven until they are nicely browned. I can't stress this enough. Don't take shortcuts. Don't just put them straight out of the packet and chop them up. This is the difference between making a good recipe and a brilliant recipe. If you take the extra time, do those extra steps, it works out better every time. Next, I have finely chopped some chives. Pop them in as well. Now with the chives, don't hold back, okay? Don't just put a little bit of greenery. No. I want to see you put in a ton of chives, guys, because chives equals flavor. And now I just mix these through. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. I have some whole egg mayo. Always make sure you're using a quality mayonnaise. I have some Dijon mustard. I have some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Give it all a mix and you're done. Well, that's it. I told you it was simple. This now becomes the delicious filling for those cute little ribbon sandwiches I'm going to make for my morning tea this morning when I have some friends pop around. And remember, if you want to use this as a keto snack, then this is it. This becomes your dip, loaded with chunky pieces of chicken, those almonds and that celery. There's nothing in there that's high in carbs. It's perfect. So I've just gone down to my local bakery this morning. I bought a beautiful loaf of thinly sliced sourdough. I'm going to now go ahead and make my beautiful little ribbon sandwiches. That's it. So simple, hey? By the way, if you don't use all of this mixture, which you probably won't because it makes quite a bit of filling, this stays good in a container in your fridge for up to a week. So if you do go ahead and make this recipe, just be warned, this is one of those ones where your friends are going to come over and bug you for the recipe. So if they do, just tell them where to get it. Check out the description box below, and there you'll find a link to my website. Once you're there, browse through, find it. It's only $1, pay by credit card or PayPal. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. That's even better. And that way you'll always know what I'm up to in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.